Good day, everyone! Welcome to the Daily Speaking English podcast, where we make English learning simple and enjoyable for you. My name is Lena, and I'm thrilled to have you here.
Hello there! Hi, Lena, and greetings to all our listeners joining us today. I'm Ben, and it's wonderful to spend this time with all of you.
Hey, Ben. How have you been doing today?
I've been doing really well, thanks. Actually, I'm feeling a bit hungry right now. How about you?
I'm great. And being hungry is actually perfect because our topic today is going to be really interesting and delicious.
Before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel if you enjoy our episodes. Also, please hit that like button and share this with anyone who's learning English.
Yes, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you never miss our new episodes. Your support means so much to us and helps us continue creating content for you.
All right, I'm completely ready to dive in. Should we begin?
Absolutely. Let's get started. So, Ben, since you mentioned being hungry, today we're going to talk about food. We'll discuss meals, different types of food, and how to talk about eating.
Oh, this is going to be fun. Food is something we all enjoy. So, where should we start, Lena?
Let's begin with the most important meal of the day. What do you usually eat when you wake up in the morning?
Ah, you're talking about breakfast. Well, I usually keep it simple. I like having bread with some cheese. It's quick and tasty. What about you?
That sounds nice. I prefer eggs in the morning. I usually make scrambled eggs with some toast on the side.
Eggs are really nutritious. Do you drink anything with your breakfast?
Yes, I always have a glass of fresh orange juice. I love how refreshing it is. Do you drink something too?
I'm a coffee person. I drink black coffee every morning. No milk, no sugar. I need that strong taste to wake me up.
Wow, that's pretty strong. I like coffee too, but I add milk and a bit of sugar to mine. I can't handle it completely black.
Everyone has their own style. Do you eat the same breakfast every day, or do you change it sometimes?
Most weekdays it's the same, but on weekends I like to make something special. Sometimes I prepare pancakes with fresh fruit like strawberries or bananas on top.
That sounds wonderful. Pancakes are amazing, especially with some honey drizzled over them.
Oh yes, honey makes pancakes even better. But sometimes when I'm really rushed, I just grab a piece of fruit like an apple or banana and eat it on my way.
That's smart. A quick fruit is better than skipping breakfast completely. So, after breakfast, a few hours pass, and then what comes next?
Next comes lunch. That's the meal in the middle of the day, usually around noon or 1 o'clock. Is lunch an important meal for you, Ben?
Very important. I get really hungry by midday. Lunch is usually my biggest meal. What do you typically have?
I really enjoy having rice with beans. It's filling and delicious. I also add some grilled chicken and a fresh salad on the side.
That sounds like a complete and balanced meal. What do you put in your salad?
I keep it simple, usually lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumber with a little bit of olive oil for dressing. Nothing too complicated.
Simple is often the best. Fresh vegetables are so good for your body. I also eat chicken for lunch sometimes, but other times I prefer fish.
Fish is excellent. What kind of fish do you like?
I love grilled fish with a squeeze of lemon juice. It's light, but very satisfying. And I always eat plenty of vegetables with it, like carrots and broccoli.
Vegetables are so important. They give us vitamins and keep us healthy. My mother always told me to eat my vegetables when I was young.
My mother said the same thing. Mothers always give good advice. So after lunch, the day continues and evening arrives. What do you eat for dinner?
My dinner is usually lighter than my lunch. I don't like eating heavy meals late at night. I often make soup for dinner.
Soup is perfect for the evening. What kind of soup do you make?
Vegetable soup is my favorite. I put in carrots, potatoes, celery, and whatever vegetables I have. It's warm and comforting, especially when the weather is cool.
That sounds lovely. I enjoy soup too. My favorite is tomato soup with a piece of crusty bread for dipping.
Ooh, that combination is classic. Do you ever eat pasta for dinner?
Yes, I love pasta. Spaghetti with tomato sauce is something I make quite often. It's simple, but always delicious.
You can never go wrong with spaghetti. Do you add cheese on top?
Always. Lots of grated cheese makes it even tastier. What about Friday nights? Do you cook on Fridays?
Actually, on Fridays, I'm usually tired from the whole week, so I often order pizza instead of cooking. It's my little weekly treat.
Pizza night. I love that idea. What toppings do you prefer on your pizza?
I like keeping it simple with a margarita pizza, just cheese and tomato. How about you?
I'm a pepperoni fan. I like having those spicy slices on my pizza. Pizza's great because you can share it with friends and family.
Absolutely. It's a fun food. Now, we've talked about the three main meals, but what about between meals? Do you eat snacks?
Yes, I do. When I get a little hungry between meals, I try to choose healthy snacks. Usually, I eat fruit, like an apple, or sometimes I have yogurt.
Those are excellent choices. Fresh fruit is always a good snack. What's your favorite fruit?
I really love bananas because they're convenient and filling. But when I want something sweet, I might have a cookie or two.
I have a weakness for cookies too. Chocolate chip cookies are my absolute favorite, but I try to have them only as an occasional treat, not every day.
That's the right approach. Balance is important. Eating healthy most of the time and enjoying treats sometimes is the best way.
Exactly. Speaking of fruits, I absolutely love strawberries. They're so sweet and bright red. In summer, I also enjoy watermelon because it's so refreshing when it's hot.
Watermelon on a hot day is incredible. I'm a big fan of mangoes. They're so sweet and juicy.
Mangoes are wonderful. They have that tropical taste. What about vegetables? Besides the ones we mentioned, do you have other favorites?
I really like broccoli. Even though I know some people don't enjoy it, I think it's great, especially when it's cooked properly.
I'm with you. Broccoli is good. I also really love carrots. They're crunchy and naturally sweet. Plus, people say they're good for your eyes.
That's what everyone says. Now, let's talk about drinks. We mentioned coffee and juice for breakfast, but what do you drink throughout the day?
I drink lots of water. Staying hydrated is so important for health. I always keep a water bottle with me.
Water is definitely the most important drink. Do you drink tea at all?
Yes. In the afternoon, I sometimes have a cup of green tea. It's calming and gives me a gentle energy boost.
I like tea too. In the evening before bed, I often drink herbal tea, like chamomile. It helps me relax and sleep better.
That's a great habit. What about other drinks like soda or soft drinks?
I drink soda occasionally, maybe at a party or when I'm having pizza, but not regularly. Soda has a lot of sugar, so it's better as a sometimes drink.
That's wise. Treats are fine once in a while, but water should be our main drink every day. Now, Ben, I have an important question for you.
Okay, I'm ready. What's the question?
What is your absolute favorite food in the entire world, if you could only pick one?
Oh, that's difficult. There are so many delicious foods to choose from. Let me think. I would say my mother's homemade lasagna is my favorite.
That's so sweet. Food made by family always tastes the best because it's made with love.
Exactly. Her lasagna is incredible. I could eat it every day. What about you, Lena? What's your number one favorite food?
I think mine would be sushi. I love the fresh fish, the rice, and all the different varieties. It's beautiful to look at and delicious to eat.
Sushi is a great choice. It's healthy and light. It's interesting how we all have different favorite foods.
That's what makes food so interesting. Everyone has their own preferences and tastes. Now, I have a fun idea. Let's do a role play. Let's pretend we're at a restaurant.
Oh, I love role plays. They're great for practicing English. What should we do?
I'll be the customer who comes to eat, and you can be the server who works at the restaurant. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let me be the best server. Here we go. Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. How many people are dining today?
Good evening. Just one person, please. A table for one.
Certainly. Please follow me to your table. Here's the menu for you to look at.
Thank you so much. Everything on this menu looks delicious.
Would you like something to drink while you look at the menu?
Yes, please. Could I have a glass of water?
Of course. One water coming right up. Have you decided what you'd like to eat, or do you need more time?
I'm ready to order now. I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. That's one of our most popular dishes. Would you like anything else?
No, that's everything for now. Thank you.
Perfect. Your meal will be ready shortly. Enjoy your time here.
That was great, Ben. You were a wonderful server. Did everyone notice how we ordered food?
Yes. When ordering, you can use phrases like, I'd like, or could I have? These are polite ways to ask for what you want.
Exactly. And always remember to say please and thank you. Being polite is very important, especially in restaurants.
Also, if the server asks if you're ready to order and you need more time, you can simply say, I need another minute, please. Don't feel rushed.
That's perfect advice, Ben. Restaurants want you to feel comfortable, and the staff are usually very helpful and patient.
Right. Even if your English isn't perfect, just be polite and smile. A friendly attitude goes a long way.
So true. A smile is understood everywhere in the world. Talking about all this food is making me hungry all over again.
Me too. We've covered so much today. Let's review everything we discussed. We talked about breakfast foods like eggs, bread, cheese, and coffee. We discussed lunch with rice, beans, chicken, fish, and salads. We covered dinner options like soup and pasta. We also mentioned snacks, fruits, vegetables, and drinks.
We also talked about favorite foods and practiced ordering at a restaurant using polite phrases. Food vocabulary is really useful because eating is something everyone does every day.
Absolutely. Food is a wonderful conversation topic. You can make new friends by asking simple questions like, what's your favorite food? Or, what did you have for lunch today?
Those questions are great conversation starters, and practicing this vocabulary helps you in real situations when you travel or visit restaurants.
Learning food words is practical and fun. Now you know how to talk about different meals and express your preferences.
Thank you all so much for listening to today's episode. We really enjoyed talking about food with you. If you want to remember all this vocabulary better, we encourage you to listen to this episode again tomorrow or later this week. Repetition is the key to learning. Also, try using these food words in your daily life. Talk about what you eat with your friends or family in English.
Great advice, Lena. And everyone, please leave a comment below and tell us what your favorite food is. We'd love to hear from you.
Yes, we're so curious to know what foods you all enjoy. Is it pizza, sushi, something traditional from your country? Please share with us.
Before we finish, please remember to subscribe to the Daily Speaking English podcast so you don't miss our future episodes.
And if you enjoyed today's conversation about food, please click the like button and share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you for being part of our learning community. Keep practicing every day, even just a little bit.
Goodbye, everyone. Enjoy your next meal and keep learning.
See you next time. Take care and happy learning.